Hi, I'm English teacher KBob, and today we're going to learn about one of the most important grammar rules in English, have and has. Many English learners say, he have a car, but that's not correct. The correct sentence is, he has a car. Let's learn when to use have and when to use has. Use have with I, you, we, and they. So here's some examples. I have a phone. You have a job. We have a house. They have children. Use has with he, she, it. For example, he has a car. She has a computer. It has 4 legs. Let's practice. Fill in the blank. I, a phone. I have a phone. She, a phone. She has a phone. We, a house. We have a house. He, a bicycle. He has a bicycle. Now let's talk about family. I have a brother. I have a sister. She has 3 children. He has a large family. Now let's look at questions. Do you have a job? Yes, I do. Do you have children? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. Does he have a car? Yes, he does. Does he have a computer? No, he doesn't. Remember, I, you, we, they go with have. He, she, and it goes with has. Thank you for watching. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Keep practicing. Have a good day.